I feel physically sick, like disgusting. And that's a reminder to myself not to go off track for over a week. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I didn't vlog those 4 days because the days before that I was so slack with my eating. I ate I ate a cookie time and chocolate chip cookie, 2 vegetable triangles from the bakery. Twice I had fries from Macca's, orange juice. And on Sunday I had a piece of chocolate cake, had some ice cream at our Connect launch. Eating too much bread, really. And then the lead up to today was I just feel like so disgusting and yuck, and I just really want to vomit everything out after that workout with Lige. My encouragement is for anyone trying to lose weight, it is not worth going back. I promise you. Just smash it going forward and don't look back like I did. Learn from my mistakes. But you know what's cool? Like, you can never go too far that you can't come back. The choice is yours. Welcome to day 13. It's Sunday, one of my favorite days of the week. But you already knew that if you watched my vlog last week. I think I overate last night. I even had, I had a cheat day yesterday, which is really bad. I had some baked passion fruit and wild berry cheesecake. Haven't had breakfast yet, we'll have it at church. Breakfast. Hey girl. What?
Last week, chicks.
Really? I thought it was weekly.
There were 2 more clips.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's gonna be on a vlog, so you can't be embarrassed.
Pass me a yogurt, please.
Are they all the same flavor or different?
Welcome to day 14. It's a beautiful day today. I'm gonna go out for lunch. I woke up late. I'm gonna go out and eat some lunch and then I've got work in the afternoon. Last night was a terrible night because I ate some cheesecake and I had cheese pizza yesterday. Silly. Hopefully I'll get to go to the gym tonight. I think I'm working tomorrow morning, but I'm gonna go to the gym after work. Hope everybody is well. Everything's just been. You always say that we were supposed to. It's day 15. Beautiful morning. It's not hot. It looks like it's gonna rain. I'm making vegetarian curry. So apparently it's day 16. I can't even remember. It's really bad. I should remember. News flash. I've been getting enough sleep, more sleep this year than last week, which is good. Thank goodness.
What day is it today? You gotta say your day how you started on.
I've already started it this morning.
Because I follow you, you're like, day, this is day. That's what he watches.
So we're at Pancake Manor. I'm hanging out with a couple of people from our connect group. Who? Hi, Glory. This guy.
Greetings in the name of our Lord and Savior.
Oh my God. Sarah's been wanting to feature in this vlog. I have to show you what I'm eating because I'm a bit naughty tonight. But that's okay because I can die at the gym tonight.
It's not okay. It is okay. It's not okay. Don't worry. It's not okay.
This is the angel side and this is the bear side.
Now we're both angels. Please add me Facebook and it's my birthday.
What's your name?
S-E' space Kali. Thank you. Take it. Think about what you you want.
Welcome to day 17. I'm not working today and tomorrow. Whoop, whoop. Going to buy me some steel cap boots. So I'm going to do some work at the church now. It's hot. Buying some steel cap boots. So we're at a vegan restaurant in Forest Lake. The man just came to lunch and said, oh, you want meat, you need big meat, fatty meat. So when you say vegan, like there's no meat, there's no added MSG, there's no, like everything, like it'll say like soy chicken and something rather. The chicken is actually vegan, so it's made of everything like veggie wise. And we'll try it out. This is vegan curry with rice, and we've got samosas. What's up, boss? We're coming to help in some way, shape or form.
We need the helpers.
How are you today?
Very good. Just
Working hard. Senior Pastor Josh working hard. Look at our land.
Oh well. Good to see you.
Yeah, well, he was dead. He's just packing up. Hey guys! Hey! Slams! I press record and then make sure you like, share and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Links will be down below in the just above the comment section.